Good afternoon. Welcome to the Enchanted Quilt and our Friday afternoon unboxing. As you can see, we've got a pile to go through here. Looks like we got more stuffing than anything. Alright, we got some more of the summer swag, and if you recall, we showed that sample of that quilt a few weeks ago. We have it hanging here in the shop. And we got some new Farm Girl vintage books. Those of you that are Lori Holt fans, she has a brand new one coming out in September. And we've already got it ordered and a waiting list going. So if you're interested in that, in her new book, if you're a fan of hers, give us a call and we'll put your name on the list, because I think what's going to happen, like happened the last time, is they'll fill the initial orders, and then when you go to reorder, they'll be out of stock. And you'll have to wait a while. Okay, rulers. Alright, we've got some half square 4-in-1 triangle rulers. We've got the 60-degree diamond ruler. And I hope that's a sales call. Okay, these are our Clover air erasable thick marking pens. And we got some more of the Boo pattern in. And if you recall, see, I'll show you again what it looks like. Here's Boo. This is one of them. And then this is one that Amanda made. And they are really, really cute. We've sold out of the patterns. We got some more in. And I'm going to show you this. I don't have a box to unbox because it didn't come in a box. It came in wrapped like craft paper around it. And I thought this would make a really cute Boo. The black with the orange spider web. I can just see that. And let's see. I will, since we're on the subject of this is the pattern basket, one of our favorite designers. And I showed you this pattern last week, Boat Day. And so I was able to get one of the blocks done of the sailboat, and it turned out really cute. Just give you a sample of what it looks like. We've got some of the junior jelly rolls that are the grunge. This is the cream. We carry those all the time. Okay, we got some of the linen best press in. This has a really nice scent. And the lavender. A lot of people like this. I would not say that it's one of my favorites, but a lot of people like it. We love best press. It's a starch alternative. It does not get sticky or flaky like starch does. Alright, this is one of our favorite colors in the grunge. It was back ordered. We used a lot of this for background if it calls for a light. We kind of got tired of using the white, and so we started using this a lot, and it's just really, really a pretty background. So anyway, we've got 2 bolts because we go through it so much, or so quickly. Remember we talked about the line, the basic line called Spotted from Moda, and we'll slowly but surely get more of these in. This is a turquoise one. It has all the little dots. It's just a beautiful, beautiful line. I think we've got white, black, kind of a cobalt blue, a gray, a red, a purple, and now this turquoise. These are fun. I forgot what was in here. It's not fabric or notions. These sewing measuring spoons. Aren't those the cutest? A table, a teaspoon, a half teaspoon, and a quarter teaspoon. If you can't see it, there's a little pair of scissors, a sewing machine, a thimble, and a button. These are really cute. Make a great gift for somebody, like yourself. So we've got, what do we get? Looks like about 10 sets of those. If you're wanting that, I would suggest you get it quickly, because they're gift items that they get in. They don't keep them around very long. All right, now I debated on whether I wanted to show this to you, because right away we are not going to put this out for sale. We have a sample that's going to get made, shipped it off to our sample maker today, and then we will have to get our kits cut. And really the actual quilt itself is really what makes this. Let me see. Okay, I'm not gonna pull that out yet. There's a main piece I want you to see first. Okay, here's the main. There's a panel. And I've never been a big gnome fan, but I just love these. He is so cute. And it is flannel. It's not a heavy flannel, but it's not a real thin flannel. It has a real nice hand to it. It's real soft. And so let me lay them down here, because they are just so cute. This is not a Christmas line. This is a winter line. So let's show you the pieces that go with it. Okay, this is a piece that has the little tossed gnomes all over it. And then we have the red background with the white snowflakes. And then this beautiful plaid that right now is really popular, and it's on the bias, which makes it really pretty. We've got the panel here, which I just showed you. And the white snowflakes. And the red stripe. then this is a grouping of gnomes. So the little groups of gnomes in the trees. And where's this other one I want to show you? Let's see. Oh, the little reindeer. He is so cute. And the rest of the bolts are repeats. I got more than one bolt so we would have enough for the kids. Let's see. Yeah, the rest are just repeats of these bolts. I won't pull those out. So that's all we have for today. So let's go ahead and do our drawing for our $10 gift certificate. Sandy Reeves, you are the winner of our Facebook Live $10 gift certificates. With that, have a great weekend, and we will see you next Friday.